Do you know about contact cleaning? Teknek is the company that invented the contact cleaning business. We have been helping manufacturers increase production yields and reduce waste for over 30 years. This company has saved customers an estimated $3 billion. It has over 23,000 installations across the world. Teknek, we don't talk about reducing contamination in manufacturing. We talk about eliminating it. Meticulous contact cleaning will give you much better yields and a far greater return on your investment. Do you want the finest results in contact cleaning? Watch Teknek work on a narrow web. Printing and packaging manufacture, web processing. Digital and flexographic printing, whether for security purposes or labels for consumer goods, food and drinks, or medical packaging, this process requires consistent and high-quality production. Typical applications for Teknek machines. Before printing, Teknek removes particles from base material, ensuring high print quality, which is especially important for barcodes and Q codes. At lamination, Teknek will prevent visual defects caused by inclusions. Before rewind, Teknek will prevent particles causing dents in the finished product. Call Barkev Graphics for the right Teknek printing solution. Thank you for watching.